Hello, now we're gonna see how to learn simple keyframe animation in Unity to move the camera in the scene. Let's go and check it out. So here is our basic Unity scene setup, and we have a basic object, and we have the camera positioned here. This is the initial position of the camera. We are going to move this camera into different angle and position to create some sort of cinematic or video effect. And for that, just created an animation folder, and I'm going to create animation component. Just click animation. I'm going to say camera name, and if you double click it, it will open an animation tab, and here nothing is selected now, so you have to go and select the main camera. Now you can see the create button appeared here, so click this create button and you can save in the same anim file or a different file if you want. Gonna replace it. Yeah, so this is the initial position. These are the keyframe timeline, and this is the initial position of the camera. I'm going to insert a keyframe in this position. For that, you need to click this button to start recording the keyframe. So once you click this button, then the timeline turned to be red. So now the recording, the animation recording has been started. So now we have to insert the keyframes. For that, I'm just going to change the position a little bit. Now you can see the keyframe is inserted, the camera's position is inserted. You can also see the camera's position turned to be red. If you want, you can also change the rotation a little bit. It will also store the rotation information of the initial position, initial keyframe. And now the initial position has been recorded. This is going to be our initial keyframe, and I'm going to move this marker to 15, and I'm going to change the camera's position and also changing the viewing angle. Okay, I'll also a little bit make it high. So the new keyframe has been inserted at the 15th position, and I'm going to move the marker to 30, then moving the position of the camera to insert a new keyframe. And moving to 45. Trying to bring back the camera to the initial position. Okay, so this is 1 minute duration. Actually, it is 1 second. I don't know why the timeline has been split from 0 to 60. This is just 0 to 1 is just 1 second duration, but Unity has been found a way to split between 0 to 60. I don't know why. Anyway, so I'm gonna put the camera to this position, and let's see how it works. Also change the rotation so that you can focus the object. So that's it. I am going to, there you go. So I can also copy. Oh, okay. Actually, I can copy this. Yeah. If you select this, then you can copy. Oh, actually, copy this. Okay, cool. Yeah, I was able to copy it because if I just click Control C and Control V, it's copied. You can also move this keyframe. Anywhere. So now the cycle is complete. So the camera is coming back to the initial position where it started. So the loop would be perfect if you just keep the starting position and the end position as same. So if you hit play, it will play the animation smoothly. There you go, you can see. So the camera is creating the scene nicely. Okay, this is a bit weird scene, but like you can make it more perfect. And you can also move other game objects into the scene using the animation. If you don't want to write a script, or if you don't want to get involved with the Unity physics, you can go for doing the animations by yourself. So just feel free to play around with Unity's animation. Thank you so much. Cheers.